So today, between all of the decluttering I've been trying to do and the Fly Ladies master bedroom, bathroom, and closet zone, I went all out. 15 minutes in the bathroom, 15 in the closet, and 15 in the master bedroom because it kind of looped around. Well, you know, I've already talked about how I've been working on the dressers in my bedroom. At least if you don't, I'll post that link below in the description box. But today what I did was I showed underneath my cupboards, as you're gonna see, underneath the bathroom cupboards, the area I wanted to work on in my closet, and then the finished product for both areas. And then I went ahead and just kind of straightened out the others in there. Probably not ideal, and I probably will keep working on them until I'm more satisfied. But for now, they will do, and I am so excited to show you. How'd you like that? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it ended up after I did Marie Kondo, but this is about 2 years after I Marie Kondoed my closet. And I tried Fly Lady Cass's thing where, Clutterbug Cass's thing where she has you take clear bins and label them clearly so that you can find what you need, and I did that pretty well. But you could see I have a lot of things that aren't seen as well, like this basket of papers, these bathroom aids, and more bathroom aids and candles and random things, and then over here I have more papers all the way down where you can't even get to it, but trust me, there's papers all the way down. And you know, I have things up here, and sure, I have shelves that are, well, and there's a lot of things I'll leave the same, but this is not working because I just don't have room to really just have, I don't know, I think it just stresses me out in my mind having all of this stuff everywhere. So these are all the things that I cleared off the shelf. There was only 4 that actually had stuff on them, and they're full to the brim of papers and books and notebooks and stuff like that. But now the shelf is empty, and I just have to wipe the shelf down, and then I'm going to clear out this area where I'm at. So you can't really see it, but there's quite a bit of dust down here, and that's why I'm going to just take this baby wipe and wipe it down because it works really good and it'll go fast. See, it's already done. Doesn't that look better? I even wiped along the carpet edge to pick up some of the debris dust balls that are there, and that's before and after. Now the bookshelf is set into place. Can't get back further. I have to dust this little section out, but I think I'll be able to hold my random bags there. Let me see if I can scoot back, give you a better angle. Yeah, see, I'll be able to put my random bags there that I don't really have a place for, like the swim bag or church bag, you know, just some things like that. So hopefully that'll work. And then I get this all set up. I'll show you that in a minute. I'm kind of excited because check it out. I've already got it started just with what was in my closet. This was taking up my whole shelf area. I mean, obviously I've got to redo this area and up there, but for now, just getting this in place is going to make a big difference. And I think I have room to pull out some stuff from underneath our cabinets in our bathroom. So I'm really excited. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I just wanted to let you see at this point where we're at. But see, if you come and look at our bathrooms, this is under my husband's sink. It's not that it's that bad, but it is kind of crowded in there. And if I take a lot of that stuff out, put it on those shelves, that'll make a lot more room in there. And then the same with mine. If I take out a lot of the excess that I'm not using every day or the stuff that's refillable, then that will take care of that and free up a lot more space. So I'm kind of excited to see how this is going to go. It's not like I'm even cleaning this cabinet out yet. I'm just trying to get this stuff out of here. Okay, it's done now. Look at how much more room there is in here. I'm so excited now. All my products fit in there. My hairsprays fit over there, and then one little product, some extra soap, my makeup bins, and I have some pads in the bottom one, you know, for woman stuff, and I'm having a baby here pretty soon, so I'll need those. Some extra makeup. This is just some extra stuff when we go traveling. And then have my hair clips, my hair dryer, my curling iron, my cotton balls. But now you can see everything. It's like not all crammed in there. It's just so much better. And I wiped the bottom and wiped out my bucket with wipes and wiped off the tops of the containers. So it's really a lot better. And then look at his side. I mean, there's a lot I could do in there. He needs like a little shelf and stuff, and I could use a shelf, and we could use some hooks on the side. But for just wiping it out and get rid of some things, I mean, this is all the stuff I took out of both sides that can be moved into the closet. And it's not that much, but you know, it can be moved to the closet. No big deal. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, now it's done. So I've got like the lotion and soaps down here and just some miscellaneous, you know, dental and hand sanitizers, bag balm, which is great. I've got my hot roller set over there, which is hard to get to when it's under the cupboard, so I can use it actually there. There's my hydrogen peroxide and Band-Aids, and we use hydrogen peroxide for a lot more. Holy cow, I'll have to do a video on hydrogen peroxide because I use it for all kinds of things. I think I already did a video on it. Actually, I'll put it in the description below if I did. And then there's extra shampoo, and then toilet paper, and then now it's done. And it doesn't even look packed. And yet on the shelf and in the drawer, it looked way packed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put my mirror in front of it so that I can still use it. And now I just got to take care of all this crap beside me, and that's all I have left in my closet. So I'm so excited. Okay, so it's done. It may not be gorgeous, but it's practical. I have another couple pairs of shoes I could put on my shoe shelf, which is great. I need to go through this basket. This is the only one that needs to still come out and gone through. Those are just some decorations I have. Those are all my vitamins that I pack my Vitapack with. My pill box, you know. There's my markers, some of my personal school supplies that I don't want the kids to touch. My curlers. Then there's all this stuff here. I'll move the mirror. Looks good, looks good. You have my bag lady collection, my church bag, church stuff, swim bag, and my tripod back there. So that's pretty organized for me. Have my makeup, my nail stuff, my toolbox, my laminator. I need my laminator paper around here. Then my mailboxes like stickers and envelopes, stuff like that. This is another church bucket. I'm going to take that and combine it with the one down low so I could get it off my shelf. And then just some cleaning supplies. So I am pretty thrilled with how everything turned out, aren't you? I mean, like, maybe it's not as nice as you think it should be or that you would want it, but it's practical and it makes sense for me, and that's what I was going for. So there you go. Okay, so that's it. I did it. Did you like it? Can you believe the amount of room and space I have now? Just that breathing room feels better. I can reach everything quickly. I don't need to have that whole cabinet full. I don't need to have that whole closet full. It just feels better having space, you know, and then I have a place to hold things, or when I get new clothes, I can set them there and then hang them up. I can put my clean laundry there and set it up. So it just feels so much better. And when you make room for new things and old things and working through things, oh, feels so good. I can't wait to get the last of those papers out of there and just really make a difference in my closet. And then hopefully you'll enjoy my bedroom transition with all that office supplies out of my closet, because, you know, Marie Kondo convinced me to put all that in the closet, saying that it should be my responsibility because they're my things, but they're not working for me. They're still in my bedroom, but just not in my closet because it was overwhelming. I don't have a big enough closet for that, and I'm keeping my supplies. So I filled up the dressers, and they still have plenty of empty drawers. So I may just have a lot of empty drawers, and that's okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you'd like to see more. I've always got some project or something going on. So take care. Appreciate you being here. Bye-bye.